Hey, why don't you call me back? I got something important to say to you. I'm sorry, I'm on a train. I'm in a train. I'm at a train. I'm inside the train. Hi, so I'm Anisa. In this video, I'm gonna explain about one of synthetic categories, that is prepositional phrase. So there are many various types of synthetic categories like verb phrase, noun phrase, adverbial phrase, and adjective phrase. But in this video, I'm going to explain about prepositional phrase. So a preposition is a word governing a noun or pronoun, and they can indicate time, location, spatial relationship, and other relationships. So I'm just gonna explain about in, on, and at. In is used for enclosed spaces, buildings, organization, regions, water, deserts, forests, cities, continents, the sky, and in a car, in a little boat, in a group of people. The next one is on. So on is used for surfaces, roads, corners, islands, planets, public transportations like what I said, train, plane. And the last one is at. At is for specific locations, addresses, companies, store, events, parties, desk. So shall we say in a train, at the train, or on the train? The correct one is on a train, because on is used when we can walk around, not like in when we can only stand up or just sit down, like in a car or in a lift.
If you were talking about traveling, you can say on the bus, on the plane, or on the train. But if you want to say where are you, you can say in, like I'm in the train waiting for you.